As you see, we've come about 3/4 of the way up, and this is what we come across. Dirty walls. Yo, YouTube, how we doing? We've come across a new location today. We're currently just walking down to it. It's a bit dangerous. And with Brasso, as you can see him all the way down there. He's at the tunnel before me. I'm just ready to like go on my arse here. But yeah, we're at a tunnel today. Let's show you inside the tunnel. As you see from just quickly here, that's where we're going. Okay, we're going to walk in now. Let's have a look at this tunnel. Something that we found online. There was apparently supposed to be haunted in here, people say. I don't know, I don't know how haunted. It is a bit slippy. It's a cyclist tunnel. You can hear my voice echoing. It is a bit pitch black. Let's have a look at all that. Hey, it's not bad. Can we see what mine's like? You can't actually see. I can't see shit on mine.
I don't think it's out the light, is it?
No. Just keep following the light. Sorry if you can't see where we're going, you're just going to have to listen to me. My light is on, as you can see. Brasso's there, as you can see.
Trying to see.
It's a slippy tunnel. That weird lead there, noise.
Yeah.
Oh, what's in there? What's this over here? See, we can see where we're going.
Just about.
Don't know what that is. Nothing in there. Keep walking through the tunnel. It's a big ass tunnel. You've heard noises, but it's cars. I think we should have brought a torch. We should have brought a torch, really. Yo, we're back. Night vision this time so you can see better. Because we couldn't see anything when I was normal. So hopefully you'll see something now. Well, this is a lot better for you YouTubers. Number 22, I don't know if you can see that. No, it doesn't come up. Oh, it does. There's a light halfway up, you know. Yeah. Make sure no bikes are going to run us over. Hey, what's up here? There's something above us. Crazy ass tunnel. Right, okay, so we're halfway now. Wow. I'm going to show you this quickly, sorry if you get blinded. Crazy. Halfway, Brasso.
Yeah.
To be fair, I don't think it's halfway because that looks longer. Yeah. That's where we started. And then, if you go this way, it looks longer. You'll be alright. Sort of see now. Check at the end, we'll walk back and check, see if it is. You'll be alright. Jog. Go for a jog. Look, it looks better. That's not night vision, that's normal. Probably because it's a bit brighter here. Crazy ass tunnel.
So you might as well see what.
What the hell is that? Just get it to focus. That's wrong. Dirty. Yeah, keep walking through the tunnel. I think there's some puddles down here by the sounds of it.
Hi there.
Hey mate, you alright?
Yeah, not bad.
Good, good. I've gone back now vision at the moment, so
Think a few more seals on here.
I'm going to do a quick research on this place. Oh, I've got no internet, so I can't. No internet, I don't know if you can quite see that.
Strange noises.
Can I see it?
No.
As you see, we've come about 3/4 of the way up, and this is what we've come across. Dirty, dirty walls. I'm trying to do a mixture for all your YouTube of night vision and normal. It's actually dripping here. Hey, if I follow you, I get a better video because I can actually see your light in front of me. Oh, that was just gone past something. Just been dripped on as well. This tunnel's leaking. Break top wall. Oh, glad I put my boots on.
Fucking hell. Well,
It's very slippy. I'm back in night vision for you now, YouTube. See if there's anything else we can see.
what you call a wet hole. Strangers, we're not messing around.
So far, as you can see by the floor, a lot of tire marks as it for bikers. It's a dirty tunnel. What's funny about that? Feeling better now we're getting to the end.
I feel like I haven't got used to it. Thought I was going to have to stay back at one point. They've got the wire through though. I might have to buy a torch.
Yeah, need a torch as well. Especially for nighttime visits.
What, do you buy like a pocket torch? What's this?
What's that? That's a torch. Looks nice on camera.
Is it?
Torch.
There we
Shall we
go.
keep that? We've come across a torch.
We've got changed the torch.
Keep that in my pocket.
Yeah.
Might look at that one out
Let's have a look at it. Put it on easily.
Yeah. Charged up, keep it.
Right, let's have a look at it.
So as you can see, we're coming to the end now. We've got to go back yet though, Brasso.
I know. Great, yeah.
That's how far we've come. What do you reckon, music video? We could do a music video
You
here.
won't see much, but you can try.
Can if we're close up. We made it to the other side of the tunnel. And now we're going to go back through. Show you all a wander through again. I might keep it in night vision though so you can all see. But just a quick look around us. There's actually nothing around us. Just trees. Trees and brasso. Let's go. Almost fell over them. Yeah. I'm not the last one. So making our way back through now. Big ass tunnel.
Big ass.
Big ass. It's a big ass tunnel.
Wicked big.
Crazy, when I film on my phone, I can actually see. When I film on my camera, I can't. Now my phone's decided to play up. There's a lot of puddles in this tunnel. It's very slippy.
Very slippy. Slippy tunnel.
Slippery as hell.
Moist.
Graffiti on the wall.
It's a moist tunnel.
Could do quite a good little music video in here.
You have to have some fucking lights. You have to have spotlights.
Spotlights. Spotlight. I'm falling over when I'm rapping.
I'll get a picture of this on my phone.
I don't quite know if you can see. I'm not in night vision. So I'm trying to do a bit of both for you. When you get close up though, it's perfect.
There's the end.
Brasso's down there, as you can see.
Running on.
He's running through the tunnel. More of the graffiti as we walk through.
We're going to do the wetty, drippy bit.
I'm slipping here. We're going to a drippy bit, he says. Maybe get night vision on for this.
Probably where the next time.
Daddy M, can you imagine him? He'd be crying by now, he's got dirty.
Oh, yeah.
Is it weird that I can hear voices behind me? Then when I turn around, I'm like, there's no one there. I thought it was someone on a bike.
Yeah, I won't be behind you, mate.
No, no. I just turned around and I'm looking. Going through the Wonderland tunnel. Okay, so this is the dirty bit of the tunnel. I'm getting dripped on. Oh, the camera's just got dripped on. Dirty. Brasso. Brasso. I dare you come up here and lick the side of the tunnel. Come and lick the tunnel.
Lick it.
Don't know if I dare to touch it. It looks horrible. I think the tunnel's happy to see us, Brasso. That is dirty. Does anybody know what this shit is? Let us know. Mate, I've got a right potty mouth today, haven't I? Can't stop swearing. Dirty, look at that. I'll just come to the side, I'll try not to fall over. Dirty. Right, keep going. We'll keep walking, seeing as Brasso's ran away. He's all the way down there. All the way down there, I don't know if you can quite make him out. No, I'm catching you up now. Oh, there's a bike coming. We've got a lights on anyway, so you just see us. Near the end now.
I've got sort of got used to it now.
Huh?
Sort of got used to it now.
Yeah.
I didn't like it at first, mate. I was like, fucking hell, I'm going to walk down.
You're
I
alright.
like it come down now.
You're alright, it's all good, isn't it? Like a big old, don't you, Brasser?
As long as I don't fall in it.
We're back in the middle now. Hey, Brasser, what do you think? Do you think it looks like the start of Mr. Bean?
Yeah, it does, mate.
Just imagine him falling down from there now and just lying on the floor. I'll be like, hey there. We're back at the middle. Well, I'd say a quarter.
3/4.
Quarter of the way up. All the way down there. So we'll keep walking. Can't beat Mr. Bean.
That one where he's got that turkey on his hair. You're like,
Get your turkey out.
yeah. We're going to have a look at torches in a minute.
We definitely did a torch for you.
Yeah, I kept
Definitely.
boots, but can't really forward. But buy some boots now, get my skin.
This is why I just use my old Timbos. They do the same
I've got
thing.
some walking boots somewhere, but see, I could just buy some cheap walking boots, but
I've got my toe caps as well somewhere, but in the house now. I've got a spare pair of trainers in the car just in case. So guys, that's it, we're coming to the end of the tunnel now. So, we've explored the tunnel. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. I'll try not to fall over. Why the hell is this like? So yeah, as always folks, you know what you gotta do, smash the like button, hit the subscribe. Also check my boy out as well, Brasso. Check him out, check his stuff out. So, as always folks, have a good day, see you soon, peace! So we're quite the tunnel, just doing a quick bonus clip for you. Come across this thing here, don't know what it is, I'll call it a thing, it's got a fence around it. Not quite sure, looks like a chimney, something. Oh, I know what this is, I know what it is now. I've just clicked in, it's where Mr. B falls down. So this is that place where we looked up. This is the top of it. Like I say, where Mr. Bean falls down. Some graffiti for you. Well, as I say, just a bonus clip. And yeah, that's it. With Shano and get fall down the stairs. This is where I do fall down the stairs, you know what, I better use my other hand. These are the outtakes. Mate, how close are these stairs? They must have been very small people back in the day. Oh.